guessed it, we're looking at the round function today. Alright, what we got here is a nice little function that is going to give you a couple different ways you can look at your data. It's going to, let's say we have something here, a data point of 6.22. At 6.22 we want it down to the nearest, let's say, integer. So we're going to go to 6, we just hit this one, equals round. So I'm going to use it on as an example on this. There's three variations of it: round, round down, round up. Equals round, you pick your number right there, and I want it to go to 0 digits. That's going to be the nearest whole number, so this is going to bring us up to 19. There you go. So if you're trying to get numbers that you need to be just completely even, you basically have to give entire quantities. It's a good function to use. Plus you can always do this, flash fill, wham, you got them all done. If you wanted to round down, so we wanted this to go from 18.67 to 18, we go equals round down, pick our number. After we do that, let's say we want 0 digits again. There it is, 18. Or we could do what we did up here. Maybe we just wanted it 18.6. Round down, click our number, comma, and we want it to go 1. So we'll go over 1 from the decimal. We should have an 18.6. And there we go. Round up, we can do the same thing. So if we wanted it to be 18.7, we would go equals round up, pick that one, and we want it, let's see, 1. So we'll go over 1 from the decimal, 18.7. And again, you can do flash fill with all of these. Go right there, and we have them all completed. But let's say we want a more practical example. We have something like, alright, I need to know how long between a few dates. So let's say we have today, and we need to know, we're going to have to report this thing in exactly 275 days. Okay, equals this plus 275, A6. Okay, so how many days is that? It's 275, that minus that. Did I type 278? I did. That'll happen. There we go. So let's say we want to know exactly how many months, how many years, and how many weeks we need. So we have our 275 days. Did it again. That's 9 months, 39 weeks, a year, if we round it. So we can go here. All we've done with this is make that equal that, make that equal that, and make that equal that. So we go round, divided by 30. So we're going to have a rough approximate for 30-day months. And here we can do the same thing with weeks, because we're doing it by 7 days, and with a year by 365. So you can do a lot of cool things with this. You can find exact time frames in terms of reporting. You can set up different schedules for, alright, it's 30 days out from this, I should start gathering data here. It's 70 days from here. Okay, this person should be completed with that section, which should be over there. And it can give you really a lot of quick trigger points in terms of seeing, alright, I know this deadline has to be met. If this isn't completed, it's going to hold up this. It's going to snowball. So you can really use these functions to kind of make a cheat sheet for yourself to see what's going to be a problem down the line. They seem fairly simplistic on the surface, but at the end of the day, they're very useful. So if you have any other questions, awesome. And if you like the content you're seeing here, hit in the bottom right there, Billy Ray Cyrus, and subscribe. You'll see more. All right, have a good one.